What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the Armadillo TeK Vanguard series military grade case for the Galaxy S10. As you can see, this is a Call of Duty Saving Private Ryan case. So if you're into the military and love absolutely shooting people and engaging in warfare combat, this is the case for you. No, just playing. This is just a very great protective case. You do have two military individuals right here. I don't know what that's all about, but this remind me of like Saving Private Ryan, Call of Duty style kind of case there. And with the packaging here, very great packaging. S10 there, it says military grade protection. Obviously you get, that's what they're trying to go for with the two military dudes here on the front. On the other side you do have Armadillo TeK there. On the back you have a Vanguard series military grade rugged protection, and it gives you a brief description of the company there. They're a Texas-based company focused on military grade rugged accessories for your digital devices. And on the back it has a bunch of great pictures of military activities and stuff like that, I think, and nothing to it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this device and see what it's all about. So move that aside. We do have this thick ass foam released out. We do have this Armadillo www.armadillotek.com legendary protection from Texas. So this is basically gonna be your installation guide there. They do have an installation video on how to properly install the case on your device. And we do have a kickstand back here, so enjoy the movies and stuff, or enjoy your device. You do have a added kickstand there, but nothing to the device. This does not have a screen protector there, so you are allowed to use your own screen protector. But I think only the WhiteStone dome tempered glass screen protector and the pre-installed one works here. But let's go ahead and install this here first. You put this on here, very snug, very good, and you're gonna get great lip protection there. As you can see, it's already bulging out of the screen, so this is gonna have great drop protection. So what you want to do is kind of insert this in there like this, and you do have a lip around that front piece there that you kind of want to get the case to wrap around. As you can see, it's just pushed it in there. At the bottom here, make sure these ports are opened, and then we're gonna go ahead and cover these like that, and then these do just cover the ports there for your power button and your headphone jack there. Great looking case. It does add some bulk, but it's okay because the 10 is very light and slim. This is going to give you a bunch of lip protection there, as well as drop protection. As you can see, bam, camera shake, bam, 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 hard shell. So this is great protection for your device. Look at that. Bam, look at that lip protection there all around the screen. So no worries if you drop this out on the buttons are very nice and clicky, very responsive, not hard to press, and as well as the Bixby button and your volume rocker as well. Hear that? You can hear the click. Very easy, very nice to press. You have your fingerprint there. Everything else looks good. All your cutouts there for your mic on top, perfectly placed. Your cutout for the back. You do have camera lens protection there on the back as well. You have a very thick lip around the camera lens there, so no worries there as well. As you can see how it tapers into the camera. And then you have your stand there, your kickstand, so you can sit there and enjoy your phone and watch some great videos on that great S10 display. Your port on the bottom, your volume there, your volume speaker nicely cut in place, your mic, your charging port there, boom, open, close, and your headphone jack, boom, open, close. Now, I'm not a fan of these lip things right there. You can cut them. The phone is waterproof, so unless you like them, if you don't use them too often, this does offer wireless charging. So let's see if the phone can wirelessly charge through the case. Let's grab my wireless charger here. We have our wireless charger, and bam, it wireless charges through this case. This case is pretty thick.
That's what she said. Woo!
But no worries there. It is gonna wireless charge very nice and easily. Boom. Man, this is great looking case. Feels great in hands. Gonna offer you a lot of protection. You do have these added grip here on the sides. Very, very nice design case here. Can't go wrong with this. They do offer it in different colors. You can get a nice purple color, a blue/gray. The back is blue, and then around the edges is light gray, and this is what you call the charcoal black color. And they do have a vibrant orange/gray. It kind of matches that orange pinkish looking kind of phone that Samsung offers you. Great device. These are currently available on Amazon for $18.98 along with Prime shipping. You can't go wrong with that. Very good, very good. So one thing I wanted to mention real quick is, let's go ahead and open something up. You see how you have this lip there? It's not going to interfere with any of your navigation gestures there, because if you do have the navigation gestures, you do have to slide from the bottom up, and it's not interfering that, as well with Samsung Pay. Let's get that out of there, and let's pull down. If you have your notification shade address from pulling all the way from the top, it won't interfere with that as well. As you can see, your edge display here, oh, it's right here. So the edge display does not interfere with edge display as well. I don't like edge display. I have to deactivate that, but the edge display does have a specific area where you do activate it. You can't activate it from that. You can't activate it from there. It's basically like around the power button there. If you slide it left there, you're gonna activate edge display, as well as Bixby. If you slide from the right, you slide to the right, it's gonna activate. So this lip does not interfere with anything of that source. And the cameras on the back, let's go ahead and make sure that that giant lip doesn't interfere with the camera. Let's take a picture of this. Now we're gonna take a close-up, bam, a regular one, bam, and a wide angle, bam. So let's go ahead and take a video as well to make sure that all the mics are not covered, or the case doesn't interfere with volume recording on the device. Just a quick little sample here, and we're done. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the pictures here. So there's your close-up. I don't see no ghosting around. I don't see no weird reflection off of the edge here of this lip. The only reflection, that's the light reflecting off of my computer screen, but that's good. So you have the Iron Man there. That's your regular angle. This is your telephoto. This is your regular lens, and this is your wide angle lens, and they all look great, man. Great. Let's take a quick look at the video here to make sure that the case doesn't interfere with any volume recording. It doesn't interfere with any mic recording. And let's go ahead and covered, or the case doesn't interfere with volume recording on the device. Just a quick little sample here, and as you can see and hear, it sounds very clear, very crisp. So the case does not interfere with the mics on the device, and you are going to get great volume when recording video out of this case. Okay, before we end the video, I just want to show you how to remove the case. I know a lot of people have issues once installing the case, removing the case. So basically what we want to do is pull these ports off here. We want to start peeling off here at the bottom and kind of just push the device up, and it's going to unsnap the bottom portion, and then the top portion just comes off like that. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, link will be in the description below if you want to pick up this ArmadilloTek case. This is the Vanguard series military grade rugged case for the Galaxy S10. It does come with the kickstand. That's the added bonus. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.